Today we're going to be talking about the NSX and a battery charger / maintainer. Man, this was not an easy video to prepare for. The reason why is because the NSX came with its own charger, and I did some deep dives and I actually found the specifications for the original NSX charger, but the design is absolutely stupid. As a matter of fact, some of the instructions state that you have to disassemble the bottom of the glove box, you have to pass some wires through and cut stuff out and put a fuse. That is ridiculous. As a matter of fact, I am not a fan of having a maintainer inside a car because you have to put it through the window or you have to make sure that you unplug it before you back out, which is going to be the case for any maintainer. But one of the issues I have with in-car maintainers is leaving your window down. Like having your windows up prevents dirt, it prevents insects from getting in, and it prevents smells like getting in your car too. It's just a good idea to be able to connect your charger another way. And I am super pumped because I thought of an incredibly, hopefully genius idea of how to connect my charger. Hopefully you guys think it's a pretty good idea, but like I always say, I have to give disclaimers now. My wife is a law student. Do all of this on your own risk, right? Just be safe, follow instructions. But this is the charger that I found on Amazon. And what I did is I compared this specification to this charger to the specifications that the NSX charger that you could buy from Acura or Honda, and they match almost perfectly. So this is, in my opinion, the exact same charger. So that's pretty cool. So depending how you park your NSX in the garage is going to determine how you install the charger. In this situation, I did it on the left side so I can make a video and I could show it to you. But I'm simply going to transition everything to the right side because my plug is over there. And it's just going to be easier to connect it from there than running some wires. But check this out, guys. Are you ready? Woo, I'm so pumped up. So I just came back from an amazing drive. I'm ready to, let the NSX rest and get recharged. So what do? I get my charger port, and check this out, guys. Watch this. I'm going to reach in here, pull this out, and connect it. And if you look down here on the charger itself, it's charging, right? It's connected. So when I'm done, right, I disconnect it. And what I do is I just tuck it back there. And it's out of the way of the windshield washer fluids. It's out of the way of a lot of things. But I want to show you how I did it inside the car. So this is how I have it. So let's remove this cover first. So what I did is I bought the eyelets that connect to the battery. And of course, when I installed them down so I could close everything up. I could put this back the way it is. And then I routed this connector right here to this extension, right? This is an extension. And then this extension connects and it comes up through here. And I'm able to navigate this through the windshield wiper fluid thingy. And just temporarily, I put like a little bread tire or whatever, just to hold this in place because mine's gonna be actually on the left side. So the negative terminal is good. We're able to close this up, which is also a mandatory thing. That closes, and then we're able to put this back in. It locks everything in. We have this, everything's insulated, but again, like at your own risk. And then I just bundle this up right here, and I have my cord right here. And everything closes, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the actual hood. And the hood's closed now. And this is where you just kind of have to finesse it the way you want it to. Like for me, I'm just gonna kind of gently tuck it in. I'm not gonna hurt the hood or anything like that. I'm not gonna force it. Just where it tucks in nice and snug, it's not gonna fly around. One of the things too is like, I could put like a piece of tape over here and it tucks away. When I'm ready to charge, I pull it out. I come over to my charger, and I'm back in. All right, I also recommend to put down a nice towel. That way you're able to protect it from any possible scratches with the cord. So the whole setup All the links are going to be in the description. They're Amazon affiliated links, means you support us, but it's going to be a certain kit because remember, you need the specific charger, you need the extension, and you need the eyelets that connect to the battery. You have other stuff that come with kits, like you could put your charger on the wall so it could sit like this on the wall. Some of the kits come with it for free, but I'm going to put everything in the description. I really recommend this because this is a big thing for the NSX. You got to keep your 12-volt battery charged. And I'm glad to help out because I'm super pumped up. I really love thinking about all this stuff. Hit the like button, share the video, put a comment down. That helps us out. We appreciate your support. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.